Good morning, my dear students. So next we will do question number 4th of your exercise 14.2. The question is, the following distribution gives the state-wise teachers student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. So this is the following distribution table in which number of students per teacher is given in the class interval and the number of states and union territories is given in this second column. So in 3 states there are 15 to 20 students per teacher ratio. In 8 states there are 20 to 25 students per teacher ratio, and so on is given in this following table. So first we will find the mode for this data. So first we will check here which is the highest frequency. Highest frequency is this 10. So we will take this class as our model class. This is our model class. So in this model class the lower limit is 30. So put here L 30 plus F1. F1 is frequency of this model class, which is 10, minus F0. F0 is frequency preceding the model class, 9, to F1. So F1 is 10, 10 to 10 are 20, minus F0. F0 is again 9. F2. F2 is the frequency succeeding the model class, which is 3. And into H. H is class size. So the class size for this following interval is 5. Now it is 20 plus 10 minus 9. It is 1, and 1 into 5. 5. Alright. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 1 into 5 is 5. 20 minus 9. 11. 11 minus 3. How much? 8. Now divide this 5 by 8. 0.62. 0.62 approximately, and it is 30.62. So this 30.62 is the mode for this data. Now we have to find the mean for this data also. So make again a table in which write your first class interval and the third column as frequency. So first find the class mark. Class mark is the average of lower class limit and the upper class limit. So 15 plus 25, 35, 35 by 2, 17.5. 20 plus 25 is 45, 45 by 2 is 22.5. Similarly, you can find the other class marks. So this is 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5 and 52.5. So now we have to apply here again step deviation method to find the mean for this data. So in step deviation method we need to find the UI. UI is what? Xi minus A upon H. A is the assumed mean taken from the class mark. So which is the middle term? Middle term is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total 8 terms. So either you can take 4th one or 5th term. So I will take here 5th one. This 37.5 as the value of A. Now what is H? H is class size. So class size is 5. So now first find the UI. Xi minus A. Xi is 17.5 and value of A is 37.5. So 17.5 minus 37.5. It is minus 20. And minus 20 by 5 minus 4. Next is 22.5 minus 37.5. It is minus 15 and minus 15 by 5 is minus 3. So similarly you can find the other value of UI. This is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now find the product of Fi UI. So 3 into minus 4, minus 12, 8 3s are 24, 9 2s are 18, 10 into minus 1, minus 10, 3 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 2 3s are 6. So now find the summation of this Fi UI and summation of Fi also. So minus 12 minus 18. Minus 12 minus 18 is minus 30. Minus 30 minus 10. Minus 40. Minus 40 minus 24. Minus 64. Minus 64. Now this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. Only 6. Now minus 64 plus 6. How much? Minus plus minus, and 64 minus 6 is 58. So the summation of FI UI is minus 58. Now what is the summation of FI? It is 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 2 is 35. Clear, students? So the summation FI is 35 and summation FI UI is minus 58. Now put this value in the formula of mean. So mean is what? A plus summation Fi UI upon summation Fi into H. So what is A? A is 37.5 plus summation Fi UI. It is minus 58 divided by summation Fi, which is 35 into H. H is class size. It is how much? 5. Now cancel this 5 and 35. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. Plus minus how much? Minus. Now divide this 58 by 7 because 58 ones are already 58. So you can divide this 58 with 7. So it is 7 8s are 56. 58 minus 56 is 2, 20. 7 2s are 14, 67, 8s are 56. So it is approximate 8.28. Now subtract this 8.28 from this 37.5. It is how much? You can write it as 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 17 minus 8 is 9. 29.22. So 29.22 is the mean and 30.62 is the mode for this data. Clear, students? This is your question number 4. Now next is question number 5. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. So question में क्या given है कि कुछ मतलब जो टॉप बैट्समैन है वर्ल्ड के वन-डे इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट टीम के, उन्होंने कितने कितने रन स्कोर किए हमें वो डाटा में गिवन है. So हमने फाइंड करना है, फाइंड द मोड ऑफ द डाटा. So first you can see here there are 4 batsmen who scored 3000 to 4000 runs. 18 batsmen scored 4000 to 5000 runs, 9 batsmen scored 5000 to 6000, 7 scored 6000 to 7000 and so on. So find the mode of this data. So to find the mode, so first I will write the formula L plus M F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So what is L? L is the lower limit for the model class. So which one is our model class? So you can check here in this frequency, which is the highest. Highest is this 18. So we will take this class interval as our model class. So in this class interval, so the lower limit is 4000. So 4000 is taken as L. So right here 4000 plus F1. F1 is the frequency of this model class, which is 18. 18 minus F0. F0 is frequency preceding the model class, जो मतलब उससे पहले वाली वैल्यू है, that is 4. 2 F1. So 2 F1 is 2 into 18, 36. Minus F0. F0 is 4 minus F2. F2 is the frequency succeeding the model class, मतलब जो उससे next value है model class से. It is 9. So right here 9 into H. H is the class size. So class size for this following interval is 1000. So it is 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is how much? 14. 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4 is 32. 32 minus 9, how much? 23. Into 1000. So it is 4000 plus 14 into 1000. 14,000 divided by 23. Now you should divide this 14,000 by 23. It is how much? It is approximate 608.69. 608.69. Now add this value with 4000. It is 4608.69 runs. Alright, so the mode for this data is 4608.69 runs. Clear? So this is your question number 5. So now next, this is your last question number 6 of exercise 14.2. The question is, the student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So this is number of cars, 0 to 10 cars having 7 frequency, 10 to 20 there is 14 frequency, and 20 to 30, 13 and so on is given in this table. So we have to find the mode. So this is the formula to find the mode for this group data. So first you have to see here which is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 20. This is our maximum frequency. So this is our model class. Clear students? 40 to 50 is our model class, and this model class, the low limit is 40. F1 is frequency of model class 20. F0 is frequency preceding the model class 12 to F1. So 2 into 20 is 40 minus F0. F0 is 12 minus F2. F2 is succeeding the model class. Frequency succeeding the model class into H. H is class size. So class size is 10. It is 40 plus 12 minus 12, 20 minus 12 is 8. 40 minus 12, 28. 28 minus 11, 17 into 10. Now it is 40 plus 8 tens are 80 divided by 17. Now divide this 80 by 17. 17 5 is up 85. So we will take 17 4s up. 4 7s are 28, 68, 2, 1. So we have point 0. Now 17 7s up. 190. So write approximately 4.7. So 40 plus 4.7 is 42.7 cars. Alright, so this is your last question of exercise 14.2. Thank you.